Welcome to the world of viral kids songs where Baby Shark reigns supreme. This global sensation has made a massive splash in pop culture, charming children and adults alike with its infectious melody and adorable dance moves. But it's not just about the catchy tune and simple lyrics. Baby Shark is a testament to the influence of viral kids songs, captivating young hearts worldwide and setting a new standard for what it means to be a hit. This phenomenon shows us the power of a catchy tune and simple lyrics. Creating a viral kids song is no easy task, but it's a challenge we're ready to take on. You see, the magic of a children's song lies not just in its melody, but also in its simplicity and the joy it brings to little hearts. Now imagine having to condense all that magic into a catchy tune with easy-to-follow lyrics and engaging dance moves. Sounds like quite the task, right? But don't fret, that's why we're here. We're about to embark on a creative journey to craft a song that resonates with children everywhere. Think about the laughter, the dancing, the singing along. That's the kind of impact we want to make. From the melody that gets stuck in your head, to the lyrics that are easy to remember and the dance moves that make you want to get up and groove. The goal is to create a song that captivates the hearts of young children everywhere. What makes a kid's song go viral? It's all about repetition, simplicity, and fun. You see, when it comes to creating a memorable kids song, these elements are absolutely crucial. Let's take Baby Shark as an example. The repetition of the melody and lyrics in Baby Shark makes it easy for kids to learn and sing along. It's a song that can be played over and over without losing its charm. Repetition is a powerful tool in music, especially for young listeners. The simplicity of the song's language and melody is another key factor in its success. Kids' songs should be simple enough for children to understand and remember. Baby Shark achieves this with its easy-to-follow melody and straightforward lyrics. Finally, the fun factor. Baby Shark is not just a song, it's a whole experience. The catchy tune, the engaging dance moves, the adorable characters, it's all part of the fun. By incorporating these elements, we can create a song that sticks in the minds of kids and parents alike. Let's dissect the elements that made Baby Shark a worldwide hit. This viral sensation has three main pillars: an addictive melody, cute lyrics, and engaging dance moves. The melody is catchy and simple, easy for kids to remember and sing along with. The lyrics, while repetitive, are adorable and relatable. Who doesn't love a family of cute, singing sharks? The dance moves are easy to follow and fun to do, making the song not just an auditory experience, but a physical one too. Now, how can we incorporate these elements into our own song? Start with a simple, catchy melody. Then weave in repetitive yet cute lyrics that children can easily understand and relate to. Finally, add some fun, easy-to-follow dance moves. This combination of elements will make your song not only catchy but also engaging for the young audience. Incorporating these elements can increase the chances of your song going viral. So that's the recipe for creating a viral kids song. It's all about crafting a catchy melody, penning simple lyrics, and choreographing engaging dance moves. Remember, the secret ingredients are repetition, simple language, and a fun theme. By blending these elements, you can create a song that sticks in the minds of kids and parents alike, leaving a lasting impact. Show some love by liking this video, subscribing for more content, and sharing your favorite kids songs in the comments. Keep on creating those catchy tunes.